one of our trip to see our grandparents and cousins. So right now we're at our first set of grandparents' house, and I'm going up to my vitamins, and then I'm gonna go back downstairs and we're gonna get some breakfast. I got the vitamins and I'm gonna go back downstairs. Watching some of my old videos right now. Guys, so this is today's outfit. It's this shirt with these pants on. So I don't know if you can tell. Try and get a better shot real quick. Okay, so that shirt. And then I have like these like sweatpants, like they're like joggers. You can't really tell, but that's what I'm wearing. I'm gonna go brush my teeth now, and we're gonna fix my hair, and then we're gonna go bake. And yeah. So today's gonna be like our baking day. Tomorrow we are going shopping. And then Tuesday, and then the rest of the days, basically. The last 3 days we're here. Well, after, so we have tomorrow, we're baking. So we have this day and tomorrow at our first set of grandparents' house. And then on the next day, so on Tuesday, we're gonna head over, like, we're gonna hang out with our grandparents like a half day, and then we're gonna head over to our other grandparents' house and see our cousins for Tuesday. So I'll have a half day at Tuesday there, and then we'll be there Wednesday and Thursday, and then we'll leave on Friday to go back to our house. Ready for the day now.
Well, the first time you fix a new batch of cookies, you have to kind of figure out your oven and figure out.
Yep, you do. Okay, so then 1/4 of vegetable oil. You know.
Kennedy's like the one we had to write down for like soccer play. We were here. This person
Okay.
was over there.
And then we need 3/4.
Yeah, I didn't realize the bread takes.
Yeah, we could do the brownies and then
Brownie cookies or something.
yeah.
Good thing is you could take some of each thing to.
This is not going well. There we go. Oh my goodness.
This one says to use, I knew I saw a little small scoop somewhere. This one says use a little small ice cream. Okay, this is 3. Yeah, having to
Forgot to spray the pan, so we're having to take it out and pour it in this bowl, and then wash the bowl in it, and then spray it, and then put it back in the pan because we forgot to spray it. So now we're washing it. Making brownie cookies right now. Okay, so she's cracking an egg right now. Good job. Okay, so now she's gonna pour the eggs in. And we're going to stir. So we are doing it the right way now. Using a little scooper thing and putting them on here. Good job. So that's what we're doing. So check on our, so this is how this is rising a little bit. It's hard to see, but it's going pretty good. Okay, so right now she's going to put our brownie cookies
in the oven. They're looking very good. I'm excited to see how they turn out.
Me too.
Me too.
Baby shark, baby shark. Mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark. Daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark. Grandma shark, grandma shark. You're so good. I should dig on a little more.
I feel like they still look doughy.
Here. Yeah, they still look a little doughy.
Yeah, I'm gonna do 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Because it says 8 to 10, right?
Yeah, we'll finish my song while we wait. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark, run away, do 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 do. Run away, do 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 do. Run away, do do do. Run away. Wait, what's
I
that
had
song?
that much energy. I could swing around.
It's the end. It's the end. So our first batch just came out of the oven. This is what they look like. They look really good, and I can't wait to try one later. And then we have these in right now, cooking, and then we have our muffin bread going. So these are our brownie cookies, and we have one more batch. So those are what those look like. And then these are our other batch, and then we have one batch in the oven right now, and then we have our muffin bread going. Hey guys, so we have our other pan out. We have our cookies right there. Right there. And then we have our other batch in right there. After those come out, we are going to do some food. We're going to go eat at Culver's. It's so yummy. I love Culver's. Went on a Vespa, don't need no mansion, took it from mansion. She's super fine, that my wife's so dancing. When I been out there, when I get big, now let's book it up, you with an upgrade. So we fancy like babies. It's time to put our shoes on. Sorry, bad lighting, but it's okay. So we have these socks, and then I brought, I'm trying to block the light, and then I brought my Vans. So we're gonna wear these Vans, and now we're going to go check on the cookies. So we're heading to Culver's right now. Oh, it's unlocked. Okay, so we're in the garage right now. It's dark. Oh, okay, the car's out. There we go. And we're going to Culver's. I'm so excited. I love Culver's. It's amazing.
I want to get some little pretzel bites. Get that with your
My cup. I got Sprite. Did anyone with it? There you go. Really good. Hot chicken with fries and ranch and cheese sauce.
Oh, here she is, huh? Oh, I passed her up. Would you like some?
Food just came. Got some pretzels, cheese, ranch, chicken, fries. What'd you get?
I got a cheeseburger, fries, and then we got the pretzel bites to share.
And then what'd you get?
Oh, I got a cheeseburger and fries. Yes, ma'am.
And what'd you get?
I got a grilled chicken sandwich.
I'm gonna order some ice cream now because we have a free scoop
Y'all need a
from
5 or a 10. How much is it?
kids menus. I got a refill, a Sprite, and I got vanilla. I got vanilla with strawberries and cookie dough.
I got vanilla with strawberries.
2 strawberries, okay?
I got vanilla with chocolate and butterfinger.
These are our ice creams. First one is strawberries and cookie dough. Next one is butterfinger and chocolate sauce. And then this one is just strawberries. So these are our ice creams, and now we're gonna eat them. Heading back to the house now. We made it home, and now we're watching a basketball game on the TV. And then we're gonna go to the track later on today and do some stuff there. Right now, we're just chilling and watching a basketball game. So it's been a couple hours since we watched the basketball game, and it ended in like 1.5 hours. And so now we're baking again, and I'm making cookies. And right now, I'm going to mix my butter. Forgot to cut it up. That's why it's not going in. First, I need to slice. Oh, there's hair in here. 1 second. Okay.
There's no way you know.
Got it out. Now we're putting the butter. Before we mix it. And my sister and my mom are playing Mexican dominoes right now. And the coffee. Okay. Take 2. Let's go. Butter. Now we're going to add in some of the sugar. But I'll be right back so I have to see how much we need. So this is our first mix. So this is like all the dry ingredients. So that's our muffin bread and stuff. And then right now we're doing like the wet, I guess, ingredients. That's how it's looking. Butter's not. I'm having to get the butter still chopped up. Now we're going to add in the 1/4 sugar. Okay. Right. So here's some sugar. I'm adding in. I'm doing a little more because I didn't fill out my bottles. Where is that? A whiff of it. So we're gonna put this back in, and now I need to do the eggs. So cracking the first egg.
You saved me on that one. Okay. I didn't plan on the best you could do.
A little extra. Okay. Okay, so we're playing Mexican dominoes.
My first hand had 3 eggs, and then I drew an 8, and we did it wrong.
Then after the egg yolk, and then another bowl. Don't know what it is. Where are the bowls? The paper bowls?
Oh. I picked up the chair.
Oh.
I got it.
Okay.
Great.
Thank you.
How's that?
Thank you. Okay, so now we're gonna chuck this egg over this. Because you only need the egg.
172, no.
Oh no, it's leaking!
Transfer that one?
Yeah, I might be able to add it to this one. So. Oh my goodness. So we have two batches going on the top and the bottom. These are our first ones, and then these are our second ones. We just like flipped them because, yeah, because we flipped them. And so 3 minutes on the timer. What's up? I'm back. I'm in my workout clothes. Got some shorts on and I got this shirt on. So now we're gonna fix my hair again. I'm getting our hydro flask. So here we go. And they're in our room. Now we're going back downstairs. So here's mine. I'm going back downstairs now. We're at the track right now. Okay guys, so we just finished running. I ran 9 laps around the track, which is like 2 miles, a little more than 2 miles. And then we did some handoffs, which I videoed for y'all. And then we did a couple like 10-yard sprints and 20-yard sprints. So now we're heading back to the car. We're gonna head home. Hey guys, so we got home and I just showered. It is 6:45 and I'm gonna go back downstairs and then we're probably gonna make some dinner around like 7:30 maybe a little earlier. Hey guys, so my mom just dried my hair and so now I'm gonna go back downstairs because I'm back upstairs because she dried my hair upstairs, and I'm gonna go back downstairs and probably just like sit down there, I don't know, do something. For dinner we're having Mexican food, so this is everything that we have. Now I'm heading back downstairs because I think we are going to watch some of my YouTube videos. So we just ate dinner and it was really good. And now we're all just sitting down here.
Don't worry about the LED light. She wants to know.
She was shooting a video. Not anymore.
That's what we're doing. These are the desserts we're having for
Breakfast?
These are the desserts we're having for our snack.
Yeah, so it makes me wonder though if
you can't.
maybe the salad,
Hey,
you know.
she's trying to video.
Do it again. Oh, that's not one. Really small tree. Like a Barbie doll scoop. Now it's just like little pieces of ice cream. Is one person eating that? There's nothing on your skin that time. That looks delicious.
Oh, we're eating it right now. Okay guys, so right now it is 10:41. We just had some ice cream and now we are, well, I'm saying with my mom and my sister and I, we're having like a party, brushing teeth party thingy.
That sounds so weird.
We all came in to brush our teeth at the same time. So we're all gonna brush our teeth and I'll see you, I don't know when, soon. Bye. Teeth brush, check. We're ready for bed. Hey guys, so that was the end of our day 1 vlog. So I hope y'all enjoyed that, and I will see y'all on day 2, so tomorrow. So I'll see y'all soon. Bye guys, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Baby shark, baby shark, mommy shark, mommy shark,